इसमें इनकम टैक्स में फोर्थ यूनिट और इसमें फोर्थ यूनिट में टॉपिक स्टार्ट होता है आज कैपिटल गेन, यानी टैक्सेबल इनकम अंडर द हेड ऑफ कैपिटल गेन्स। कैपिटल गेन इज द फोर्थ हेड ऑफ इनकम। देखिए 5 हेड्स ऑफ इनकम होते हैं, ये फोर्थ हेड ऑफ इनकम है। नेक्स्ट बेसिस ऑफ चार्ज यानी सेक्शन 45 और सब सेक्शन 5। सेक्शन 45 सब सेक्शन 45 के अंतर्गत द बेसिस ऑफ चार्ज इज द प्रॉफिट्स और गेन्स arising from the transfer of capital asset in the previous year. It is taxable under to head capital gains. Thus, the essential element of capital gains are जैसे कि कैपिटल एसेट, ट्रांसफर ऑफ कैपिटल एसेट और कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ कैपिटल गेन। फर्स्टली कैपिटल एसेट सेक्शन 2 सब सेक्शन 14। देखिए कैपिटल एसेट मीन्स प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एनी काइंड हेल्ड बाय एन एसएससी whether connected with his business. B. Any securities held by a foreign institutional investor which has invested in such securities in accordance with the regulation made under the Securities and Exchange Board of India Act 1992. Capital asset may be movable or immovable, tangible or intangible, fixed or floating. Capital asset include land, building, say plant, machinery, investment, goodwill, leasehold right, jewelry, share or manufacturing license. That is called capital asset. Property include in right to or in relation to an Indian company, including rights of management or control or any other right whatsoever. Exception: the term capital asset does not include the following, जैसे कि कॉमर्शियल गुड्स इनको कैपिटल एसेट में इंक्लूड नहीं किया जाता। मूवेबल एसेट फॉर पर्सनल यूज़, एग्रीकल्चर लैंड, गोल्ड बॉन्ड्स और गोल्ड डिपॉजिट बॉन्ड्स, इनको कैपिटल एसेट्स में इंक्लूड नहीं किया जाता है। देखिए कैपिटल एसेट्स के कितने टाइप्स होते हैं एंड काइंड्स ऑफ कैपिटल एसेट। नंबर 1 शॉर्ट टर्म कैपिटल एसेट और नंबर 2 लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल एसेट। Short term capital asset, it means short term capital asset means a capital asset held by an SSC for not more than 36 months immediately preceding the date of its transfer. Capital gains arising from the transfer of the short term capital asset is called short term capital gain. Long term capital asset means capital asset held by an SSC for more than 36 months immediately preceding the date of transfer. Capital gain arising from the transfer of the long term capital asset is called long term capital gain. B. Transfer of capital asset. Section 2 subsection 47. ट्रांसफ़र इन रिलेशन टू ए कैपिटल एसेट इंक्लूड, जैसे कि फर्स्ट द सेल, एक्सचेंज और relinquishment of the asset, its compulsory acquisition under any law, the maturity or redemption of a zero coupon bond. Number 4, conversion of a business into limited company. Number 5, the ex- extinguishment of any right therein. C है computation of capital gains. Section 48. The term chargeable under the head capital gain shall be computed as under A. Computation of short-term capital gain. Deduct from the full value of the consideration received or acquiring as a result of the transfer of capital asset the following amount, जैसे कि the cost of acquisition of the capital asset, second the cost of any improvement thereto, third expenditure incurred wholly and exclusively in the connection with such transfer. Capital gain equal to full value of consideration minus bracket cost of acquisition plus cost of improvement plus selling expenses bracket close. C. B. Computation of long-term capital gain. Deduct from the following from the full value of consideration, जैसे कि indexed cost of acquisition of the asset, indexed cost of any improvement of the asset, third expenditure incurred in the connection with transfer of the asset. Set of long-term capital loss. If there is long-term capital loss on transfer of a long-term capital asset, such loss can be set off only against any other long-term capital gains. Explanation. Number 1, indexed cost of acquisition shall be computed as under, जैसे cost multiply cost inflation index for the year in which the asset is sold upon cost of inflation index for the first year in which the year was sold, or cost of inflation index, whichever is later. Index on 1st April 2001, whichever is later. Number 2, index cost of improvement shall be computed as under cost of improvement multiply cost of inflation index for the year in which the asset is sold upon cost inflation index for the year in which the improvement to asset took place. Cost of acquisition. Cost of acquisition of an asset is the value for which it is acquired by the SSC. It means that whatever cost is incurred for getting an asset plus all expenses incurred to acquire, it is the cost of acquisition. In the following cases, the cost of acquisition is taken as a national figure. See number 1, cost to the previous owner deemed to be the cost of acquisition. It means if the asset is acquired by an SSC in the following circumstances, the cost of acquisition of the asset shall be deemed to be cost for which the previous owner of the property acquired It will be increased by the cost of an improvement of the asset incurred by the previous owner or the SSC. Number 2, cost of share or security. Where share or security was acquired before 1st April 2001, the cost of acquisition will be taken the actual cost or fair market value on 1st April 2001, whichever is beneficial to the SSC. Number 3, cost of bonus share. The cost of bonus share or security which is received by the SSC without any payment on the basis of his holding any financial asset will be as under, जैसे कि where bonus share or security was received prior to 1st April 2001, the fair market value on 1st April 2001. In any other case, nil. Number 4, cost of acquisition of goodwill, etc. The cost of acquisition in relation to a goodwill of business, a trademark or brand name associated with a business, a right to manufacture, produce or process any article or thing, right to carry on any business or profession. Next, number 5, cost of acquisition of right issue. In the case where an SSC by holding a share or any other security becomes entitled to subscribe additional share or security known as a financial asset on the basis of right issue, the cost of acquisition shall be. Number 6, cost of stock options to employees. It means where capital gains arises from the transfer of the specified security or suite equity share, the cost of acquisition of it shall be the fair market value which has been taken into account while computing the value of perquisite under section 17 subsection 2. स्टूडेंट देखिए थ्योरी के बाद इसका न्यूमेरिकल. Sri Ram owned a plot of land and 500 shares in an Indian company during the previous year 2019 to 20. The land was purchased by him in July 2018 for rupees 3,50,000, whereas the shares were acquired on March 5, 2019 for rupees 50,000. Both these assets were sold by him for rupees 6,20,000, rupees 5,30,000 for land. In December 2019, the ascertained the profit chargeable to tax during the assessment year 2020 to 21. देखिए सॉल्यूशन, इसमें कैपिटल गेन को फाइंड आउट करना है. कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ कैपिटल गेन्स फॉर द असेसमेंट ईयर 2020 to 21. फर्स्ट, प्लॉट सेलिंग प्राइसेस क्वेश्चन में दे रखा है 5,30,000, 5,30,000, 5,30,000 लेस कॉस्ट. कॉस्ट इसकी कितनी दे रखी थी? 3,50,000. 3,50,000 माइनस करने के बाद शॉर्ट टर्म कैपिटल गेन आया आपका 1,80,000. इसको नेम दिया ए. फिर सेकंड, शेयर सेलिंग प्राइस 90,000. लेस कॉस्ट 50,000, ये देखिए 40,000 फिर बचता है आपका शॉर्ट टर्म कैपिटल गेन। अब देखिए टोटल शॉर्ट टर्म कैपिटल गेन, यानी ए प्लस बी, इसे ए नेम दिया है, इसको बी दिया है। टोटल शॉर्ट टर्म कैपिटल गेन ए प्लस बी, ए है आपका 1,80,000 प्लस बी है 40,000, 40,000, दोनों को ऐड किया 2,20,000। ये टोटल शॉर्ट टर्म कैपिटल गेन आया आपका 2,20,000। नोट डाल के प्लॉट वाज नॉट हेल्ड फॉर द मोर देन 24 months एंड शेयर वर नॉट फॉर मोर देन 12 months, hence the both the asset are short term capital gain. Thank you, student.